Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete REDnote account. So first of all, you have to open up your REDnote application. Now on your application, first of all what you have to do is that you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top left corner of your screen. Now, you have to tap on settings that is present at the bottom center of your screen. In your settings, you have to tap on Account Security. In Account Security, you have to scroll down and tap on Account Cancellation. Now, you will receive a one-time verification code on your phone number that is linked with your REDnote account. So you have to enter that verification code, but first of all, you have to click on this red writing that is present below your phone number. Once you click on that, now you will receive your verification code and you have to enter that. So once you have entered your verification code, you have to click on continue or simply this red button. Now, I don't really understand what is written, but these are all terms and conditions that you must approve to continue. So you have to click on the checkmark option that is present above the red button. Then click on the red button once again. Now, all of these are reasons that you need to select to delete your account. So, you can very simply select any random reason, then click on the red button again. Once you click on the red button, you will be able to easily delete your REDnote account. Everyone, you should know that you can only delete your REDnote account if it is connected to your phone number. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.